If you've been looking for a customer engagement platform that combines CRM, support, marketing, and IT tools under one roof, Freshworks might have caught your eye. But is it the all-in-one solution it claims to be, or is it better to stick with specialized tools? Let's break it down. Freshworks is a cloud-based suite of business software designed to help companies attract, engage, and support customers, all while being more affordable and user-friendly than many enterprise competitors. In this review, I'll walk you through what Freshworks offers, its latest pricing, what users love, and where it falls short. Freshworks isn't a single product. It's a family of tools covering different aspects of your business. Fresh Sales, CRM, manage leads, deals, and pipelines with built-in AI for scoring and forecasting. Freshdesk, customer support, omnichannel support via email, phone, chat, and social media with ticket automation. Fresh Marketer, marketing, email campaigns, marketing automation, customer segmentation, and analytics. Fresh Service, ITSM, IT service management for internal teams, including asset tracking and incident management. Fresh Chat, AI-powered chatbots and live chat for websites and apps. AI features, Freddy AI assists with lead scoring, customer insights, ticket classification, and conversation summaries. All modules integrate seamlessly, letting you start with one product and expand into others as your business grows. Pricing varies by product, but here's a quick snapshot for two of their most popular solutions. Fresh Sales, CRM, billed annually, per user, growth, $9 per month. Contact and account management, built-in phone and email, AI-powered contact scoring, Pro, $39 per month. Multiple sales pipelines, workflow automation, time-based workflows, advanced metrics, Enterprise, $59 per month. AI forecasting, audit logs, advanced permissions, and dedicated account manager. Freshdesk, support, billed annually, per agent, growth, $15 per month. Ticketing, knowledge base, team inbox, and ticket dispatch. Enterprise, $79 per month. IP whitelisting, audit logs, skill-based routing, and sandbox. They also offer free tiers for some products, making it easy to test before committing. What users love: affordable and scalable, competitive pricing compared to other all-in-one platforms. Clean interface, easy to learn and navigate, even for non-technical teams. Strong integration, products work together seamlessly. AI-powered features. Freddy AI helps automate repetitive tasks and surface insights. Omnichannel support, engage with customers across multiple platforms from one dashboard. Where it falls short: feature depth varies. Some modules aren't as advanced as standalone competitors. Support response times. Users occasionally report slow support on lower tier plans. Customization limits. Certain advanced customizations require higher tier plans. Performance on large data sets. Can slow down when handling very large customer databases. Freshworks is a flexible, budget-friendly ecosystem for businesses that want integrated sales, support, and marketing tools without enterprise-level complexity. It's especially appealing for small to mid-sized businesses looking to unify operations in one place. However, if you require highly specialized or deeply customizable tools for a specific function, you may need to supplement Freshworks with niche software. Freshworks delivers a lot of value for its price, especially if you embrace its full ecosystem. If this review helped you, hit like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and drop a comment which Freshworks product would be most useful for your business. See you in the next one.